How long do Facebook ads for dentists take to work? Now, I want to answer this question because I got it from quite a few people. And to answer it, we have to break this down into two parts, okay? So the first part is all the preparation that goes into having a campaign ready and having a campaign on and live, okay? So that includes creating copy, the headline, having access to the creatives, which are pictures and videos and all that. Now that, of course, it depends. It depends on, how fast the partner or the agency you're working with is moving. So I cannot give you a clear-cut answer to that. However, when I hear this question, what I think people, and what not only what I think, what I've seen people actually want to know is how long it takes for the Facebook ads to work for dentists from the point they are live. Okay? So from the point that Facebook ads are live, honestly, you should start seeing results in 1 or 2 days. So I'll say 24 to 48 hours. But again, this is after the campaign and the ads are live. After you finish the campaign and you press publish, also you have to take into consideration the fact that they go into a review process by Facebook. So that can take up to 24 hours, and sometimes they never get out of review process. It can happen. It doesn't happen often at all. It's very rare, but it can happen. So I just want you to know that. However, after they're live, you should start seeing results within 24 to 48 hours. I hope this video helped. Please like it if you found it helpful. And if you want me to help you with your Facebook ads, if you're a dentist, you own a dental clinic, and you want help with your Facebook ads, you want to scale your business, you want to serve more people and make more money with your dental clinic, then schedule a free call with me. You'll find the link in the video description below. We'll have a 30 minutes call where I find more about where you are, where you want to be, and see what's stopping you and see if I can help you. Worst case scenario, if I cannot help you, I'll still give you free suggestions on what I would do as a marketer if I was in your place. So there's nothing to lose. If you're interested, book a free call with me. See you in the next video.